Hi friends, I'm sure all of you might be having savings bank accounts in some or the other bank. I'm also quite sure that most of you must be having accounts in more than one bank, opened for some or the other reasons. Have you ever thought what will happen to these accounts over a period of time? Hi, this is Satyanarayana K, AGM and Regional Head of Dhanlaxmi Bank, handling branches of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka states. Now, I should dwell upon few important points on the balances kept in our savings bank or current accounts. As per extant guidelines, balances in savings or current accounts which are not operated for a period of 10 years or term deposits not claimed within 10 years of period from the date of maturity are classified as unclaimed deposits. These amounts are transferred by banks to Depositor Education and Awareness Fund, that is called DEF, maintained by Reserve Bank of India. Don't worry, I have a good news to share with all of you. The depositors are, however, still entitled to claim the deposits at a later date from the banks where such deposits were held along with interest as applicable. Despite public awareness campaigns undertaken by banks as well as Reserve Bank of India from time to time, the amount of unclaimed deposit is showing an increasing trend. The growing volume of unclaimed deposits arise mainly due to non-closure of savings or current accounts which depositors do not intend to operate anymore or due to non-submitting redemption forms with the banks for matured fixed deposits. There are also cases of accounts belonging to deceased depositors where the nominees, legal heirs, do not come forward to make a claim on the bank concerned. To help such depositors or the nominees, legal heirs of deceased depositors identify and claim the deposits. Banks already host the list of unclaimed deposits on their websites with some identifiable details. Members of public are encouraged to identify and approach the bank concerned for claiming such deposits. Reserve Bank of India on 1st June 2023 has launched a program called 100 Days, 100 Pays campaign to trace and settle the top 100 unclaimed deposits of every bank. Under the scheme, banks will trace and settle their top 100 deposits in every district of the country. According to a PTA report, in August, banks have transferred unclaimed deposits worth of 48,462 crores related to 16 crores 79 lakhs 32,101 accounts to DEF account as of March 31st, 2023. About 35,000 crores unclaimed deposits as of February 2023 were transferred to RBI by public sector banks in respect of deposits which were not operated for more than 10 years or more. State Bank of India tops the list of unclaimed deposits worth of 8,860 crores, followed by Punjab National Bank with 5,340 crores, Canara Bank with 4,558 crore and Bank of Baroda with 3,904 crores. In addition to the earlier efforts and to counter the increasing trend, RBI has launched a centralized web portal called Udgam, Unclaimed Deposits Gateway, to access information on 17th August 2023 as part of the Statement on Developmental and Regulatory Policies dated April 6, 2023. This portal has been developed by RBI for use of public to facilitate and make it easier for them to search their unclaimed deposits across multiple banks at one place. To begin with, RBI has placed the details of their unclaimed deposits in respect of 7 banks. At this time, I am proud to say we, the Dhanlaxmi Bank, is one of them along with SBI, PNB, Central Bank of India, South Indian Bank, DBS Bank and Citibank. Later, RBI has onboarded 30 other banks on the Udgam portal from 28 September 2023. So, how exactly we can use this portal Udgam to identify our unclaimed deposits? Now I will just explain. Step 1. Open the Udgam website. Then log in with credentials of your mobile number and CAPTCHA code. Then click on to the second step, that is step 2. a one-time password, that is OTP, will be sent to the phone number which you have registered. Then enter that particular OTP and click on to the login button. Then step 3. On the new page, type the account holder's name and select the bank from the drop-down list. Then next step, that is step 4. Select any one of the options, that is PAN number, voter ID, driving license number, passport number and date of birth, and fill in the details. If one does not have these details, then don't worry. There are additional criteria of address and state which one may fill in to search the deposits. Then the step number 5, I am just explaining you. Click on the search button. If the bank has any unclaimed deposit in the account holder's name, it will display on the screen. If you don't know the bank's name, don't worry. Select all from the bank's drop-down list. The portal will search all the banks within the account holder's details provided and give the result in less than a minute of time. If the search cannot be performed on a few banks, a notification will appear at the bottom of the page saying, please note that the search operation could not be performed on few banks. Click here. There is a button to know more. By clicking that, bank names that could not be found in the search will appear. The account holder can search for these banks separately. Then you can approach the respective bank branch to claim your monies. Further, one more piece of advice, please. Here, please ensure to register nominee in your savings bank or term deposits account without fail, as it helps banks to settle the death claims easily and reduce the hardship of the bereaved families. I hope this information clip will be very useful to all of you in getting back your unclaimed deposits in the banks. Spread this message to your family and friends, helping them to retrieve their hard-earned monies. In this way, even you are helping the banks to discharge their liability. Take care. Signing off, this is Satyanarayana K, AGM and Regional Head of Dhanlaxmi Bank, Hyderabad. Thank you.